going on, guys? My name's Golden13, and I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys how to use the Action Replay PowerSaves Pro. I got this a day earlier than expected. By the way, it works including with Omega Ruby, Alpha Sapphire, Super Smash Bros, Pokemon X and Y, and so much more. I'm excited to get this product. I have the original Action Replay DSi. I'm so glad to get this product from Amazon. So let's get into it. Alright, cut a little slit right here. I'm just going to prop it up against. Because then I have to look at some blackness for a while. I get this thing open. Alright, you're done looking at blackness. Here we have the manual, the PowerSaves 3DS Quick Guide. Put that to the side. In here, you have the PowerSave itself in all its glory. And then if we dig even down further, you should find a USB port thing. Toss into the package to the side. Here's what it includes: the PowerSaves dongle, the cord itself, and the guide. So this has been the unboxing of the Action Replay PowerSaves. I'll see you guys in the next video for part 2 on how to actually set it up and get it to work on your PC. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later.